Hey you guys, okay, so I've worked out, I've showered, I'm sort of ready to go pick up the boys for spring break. My hair's a little wet and crazy, but I'm getting in the car for 7 hours, so what do I care? Truckers beware. Anyway, I wanted to talk to you guys about how to pack healthy for not only road trips, but just trips away from home, because sometimes that is a real struggle. We get on the road, we go on vacation, and all of our intentions go out the window, right? Who's with me? I've done it plenty of times. Listen, sometimes I use a movie as an excuse, like, hey, I'm going to a movie, I might as well have some popcorn. Anyway, when I've been eating good all week. So here are some of the things that are going into my cooler for not only the road trip, but also for when we get there, so that like when we do Disney tomorrow, the boys will all have bags, which means I'll be throwing stuff into my little carrier monkeys, because I'm not carrying anything, probably not even a credit card, because I think it goes on my phone, but I might bring one just in case. Don't panic. Okay, so here's what's in my bag. Peppers, I already cut them up. I'm gonna spill them all over the place, but this is for me and the boys. The good thing is that my boys eat some of these healthy snacks. Now listen, they have their own pile too. They have their Lunchables, they have some Baby Bell cheeses, they have ham sliders on Hawaiian rolls. That's all good for them. They also have a bag of candy in their car bag, which of course that's a treat to start spring break off right for them. But me, strawberries, I cut them up, they're ready to rock, okay? Sometimes if I know that it's gonna be a couple days, the way to keep your strawberries, at least that I've found, is take like a damp paper towel and put it in with it. I don't know why, but the moisture works, okay? Snack packs of carrots. These are the little snack packs from Kroger. Whoop, upside down. Okay, so they're small, which means for the park, when we go to like theme parks, these are perfect to slide in there, because I mean, one of these bags is a big snack portion. So anyway, a couple protein bars, little Think Thin creamy peanut butter. That's one of my faves. This is a good one, especially like if we're stopping for dinner, which we're not tonight. We're probably just gonna do sandwiches in the car, because I'm one of those people that like to get there. This will probably be what holds me over. An avocado. Yes, I'm taking a whole avocado, because chances are when I get to my mother's house, there will be no avocado. Just saying, okay? That's okay. Cucumbers all cut up. I use the fancy cutter so that they would look nice and be nice and thin and yummy. And I can look forward to them. Tons of cheese sticks. Low part skim mozzarella cheese sticks. These are one of my go-tos when I'm cutting. And then deli turkey. I will literally just roll a piece up and stuff it in my mouth. So that's what's in my bag for me. I have some bananas that are kind of brownish, so they're probably not gonna make the trip. I might go ahead and put those in the freezer, cut them in half, put them in the freezer, and then I can use them for smoothies when we get back. But that's what's in my cooler. I hope everybody who has spring break coming up this coming week has a great one, and try to stick with your goals. Don't, yes, enjoy your vacation. Yes, eat some of the things. Just don't eat all of the things. All right, guys, bye.